Hello, today I'm going to show you how to apply Agilus30 White with colours or Vero coloured materials to a part, and how to understand and estimate what sort of Shore value you will obtain subsequently. So first off, let's make sure that we have the J750 selected here from our template, from our default printers, and then I can go and add a model. So let me go to add models, and for this example I'm going to add my flexible spatula head, and here we are. So that's been now imported into GrabCAD print. I can go and orientate that part. So it's in the optimum orientation for printing speed. And the next thing to do is to go to my print settings, and let's now look at the materials that we are dealing with. So first off, this is the default set of materials that is loaded on the J750 profile. If I was connected to a printer, I'd be able to get the printer's loaded materials from the materials cabinet. In this instance, I wish to remove my Vero pure white material, and I'm going to add the Agilus30 White material from the unloaded materials list. So let's go add selected. Now just note that this has applied the Agilus30 White profile to the part, so that my parts will come out in color and flexible. So let's now go and select a color. I can either select a color from the color picker, or I can add a color via the RGB input here. If I scroll down the list, I can see what the actual color will turn out in comparison to the selected color. This is a form of soft proofing, and also grayed out here I have my Shore A level. Now if this could be activated as a slider, but in this mode that's not activated. However, it does say here what the Shore value is. So in this example, for this color, that's a Shore level A70. If I change the color by adding more white to it, I'll be able to see that the Shore level has adjusted and is now a Shore A60. So that will be a more flexible material. So I can go off and duplicate this part, and we can apply different colors. So if I wish to have different colors applied to this model, I can do that, or if I wish to try out different Shore values, I can do that too. So I simply select the model and I can adjust the color. So this is now Shore A70, and this one here is now a 85 value, and here let's change the color completely. Something like that. So we can very quickly see that the amount of color pigment means that there is less white in the part, and that is giving us a more rigid part that is less flexible. So if I select a black color, then it will be off the Shore A scale completely, and it will be a completely rigid black part. The next thing to do is to select my parts and to make sure that I have the finish that I want. So at the moment glossy is selected, I'm going to go for a matte coating. And the last thing that's left for me to do is to carry out an estimate for these parts, and that will give me a time and a materials estimate. So this would be printed in high mix mode, that with a 1 hour 45 minute print time, and here is my materials and support estimations as well. So now the job is ready for print. I can simply click print and send this file straight to the printer. Thank you very much for your time today. Bye.